Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zelle and Chase app step by step clearly. Open the Chase app on your device. Enter your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. Look for the option labeled Send Money with Zelle. Tap on it to proceed with the setup. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification. You might need to enter a code sent to your registered phone number or email. After verification, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Read through the agreement and tap Accept to proceed. Next, link your bank account if prompted. Choose the account you want to use with Zelle. Enter your mobile number or email address to get started. The app will send a verification code to the number or email provided. Check your messages for this code. Enter the verification code in the app to confirm your identity. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message. You are now set up to use Zelle within the Chase app. You can start sending and receiving money instantly. If you have contacts to add, you can enter their information. Follow the prompts to complete your transactions easily. Enjoy the convenience of using Zelle through the Chase app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.